Do something funny, you damn cat. No, he's not doing anything. Go kick it towards him.
He's thinking about it.
He's not. He's thinking about how the hell am I going to get out of this thing. I'm going to kick the damn thing towards him. Thank you.
What did he turn it off?
He freaking has it in his mouth. Damn idiot.
Wow, hamster
Oh,
and
damn it.
cat action.
Oh, there he is. Oh, God. Good God. Hey, dude, what are you trying to do? What the hell are you doing?
Boy, laying around again.
What the? This is our cat. Yeah, named Shady. Oh, snap. Hey, dude, stop trying to make him do the disco. Your cat's deathly afraid of this thing, you know that, right? God! Zoom out, pan out, pan out. Now he's too far away, he's too damn lazy to go get him. And a couple more. Message, bitch. I'm getting tired of this. Okay, you faggot cat. Do something. Please, thank you. Wow, you've got a Bluetooth system there.
Okay.
Do you all know who our cat is?
Hey, that's my cat. That's playing with the little toy, and like it's called the video that we're making is like Cat in Action. Bye.
Let me tell you something. This cat is pretty funny. I don't know what else to say, but it's true. Uh-oh. He's over there in the corner, you are. Dude, I think I'm zoomed in. I can't zoom in anymore. Hello, kitty cat. Look at me. Shit. It's a good thing this ain't a ghost, man, because I'd probably be dead. Words? Words? Any words? No words. Just actions. Dude! Oh my gosh, you are not going to sit here and stare at it. Oh my god. Thank you. Not anymore, he ain't. Dude, this is getting pretty tiring. I'm getting tired of laughing at a damn crackhead cat. Hey, y'all. See what it says? This is just a plain G. Hey, I bet this is just a plain G right here. That's our fucked up cat. And Carson, any last words?
Bye.